Nissan Altima 2007. It's time for a wiper change. You own these cars, you gotta change it. Hey, what I want to do is quickly talk about wiper blades. When I went to the local store, picked one up. Now this one cost me 25 bucks. It's an upper end one. There's usually 3 levels of wiper blades. You got your, I call it your manufacturing grade, your medium grade, and then your better one. What you're doing is you're really just getting better quality rubber on these things, and the rubber's a little thicker. Let's do this change. Let's make it quick, easy, it's fast. I have discovered that at most of these auto places, if you buy them there, they'll help you come out and do it. But I just want to show you how quickly and easy it is to attach these things. Come on, let me show you. When you're going to purchase the wiper blades, you'll have to notice, look at the driver's side. Driver's side, it's actually 28 inches. Look at the passenger side, it's 17. So you actually have to buy 2. You gotta buy 2. In this case, I just bought the driver's side. I rarely have a passenger, sorry guys, but I'm gonna just change this one for now. Simple and easy. First step is what you want to do is release the wiper blade from the windshield. You want to press on the tab here and push down on the blade, and the blade will remove. You'll see the mechanism. Lifting the new blade out of the package, you have the mechanism. You will press down on this, which is going to release this. This is going to open this, and then we're going to be able to slide the arm on this slide. So it's a simple pop this up, take the arm, you must slide it through the hole and slide it right on. To view that again, this pops up. Now we're gonna find this slot. The arm has to fall in the slot, and then you'll see the U shape on this. You'll see the U shape. The U shape is going to go right along there. So we're going to simply pop this in and slide this on. Pop that in. Slide that on until you hear the click. Hear the click. Fold this over. Lock it in. There you go. You click it in. It's that simple. It can't be any easier. If you're really not comfortable, have the guys at the auto store help you. It's quick, it's easy. It's harder to shop for it's more confusing to shop for the actual wiper itself. There's so many choices, so many companies, so many kinds. They're all pretty standard. Basically, they have 3 levels. They have what I call the manufacturing level, the mid-level, and the better level. And all you're doing is getting a different level of rubber on the wiper. So I hope that helped you. Hope that saved you some money. Hey, took us 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Short and easy. Hey, the wiper did cost me like 29 bucks. It is a little expensive, but that works. And it is what it is. Hey, hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Deininger, just another backyard project.